Hello everyone. So let's discuss the solution for the given problem. The problem states let a vertical tower AB have at its end A on the level ground. Let C be the midpoint of AB and P be the point on the ground such that AP is equal to 2AB. If angle BPC is equal to beta, then we have to find the value of tan beta, right? So the given figure is as follows. The triangle PBA, A is the tower and PA represents the level ground, right? So if we say that C is the midpoint, we choose a point C, that is the midpoint of AB, and join it with the vertex P such that CB equal to X and AC equal to X, right? So the complete length of AB is 2x. As per the as per the given in question, AP is equal to 2AB, right? So AP would be equal to 2 times 2x, that is 4x. So now if we find the value of tan theta, that is equal to x upon 4x, perpendicular upon base, it is equal to 1 by 4, right? And the value of tan theta plus beta is equal to 2x upon 4x, that is 1 by 2, right? Now we know that tan x plus y, the property tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y, right? So in this case, tan theta, which is given here, 1 by 4 plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan theta and tan beta, right? So solving this equation gives us the value of tan beta, that is 2 by 9. Hence the correct answer is option 2.